Hi, and welcome to this new training video on the Command Center video wall enhancements for the 6.1 release. For 6.1, the Command Center video wall has been updated in Victor Client. It now includes a new 2x3 and a 3x3 video wall layouts. In the setup screen, as shown, the profiles can be set up for the group or individual settings. In this example, you can see the group settings in the new 3x3 layout. Once a profile is configured, the individual monitor layout settings can be configured as shown on screen. And here you can see the specific 3x3 layout.